Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I will guide you how to change border color of your table in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Select your data, right-click, Format Cells, click into Border, select Border Thickness Line as per required. I'll select this one. From Color, select your color. I'll choose this one. Your border line is still black. Here select Top, Middle, Bottom, Left, Middle, Right, and then click into OK. As you can see, the border color of your table is changed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in a comment.